Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab M11 and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. From there, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. There we go. And as you can see, it captures your screenshot. Shows up right here for a brief moment with a couple options. I believe like, was it delete, share? We have share, delete, and scrollable, which is inaccessible to us, the scrollable screenshot, because there is no content to actually scroll down on. This isn't scrolling down. So something like, nope, not settings, maybe a web browser. So I assume web browser would be good if you have anything that you're searching for, and you can scroll down, and the scroll is basically on the whole page. In any case, once you capture your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application. And from here you can navigate to Library and find Screenshots album. In here, obviously, you will find screenshots that have captured over the time of using this device. And here's the one that I have just captured. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.